Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on your T-MOBILE Revvl 6. And to begin, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here find Firefox. Install it. When it's ready, click on the Open. Here you can customize the browser, so pick a theme, choose a toolbar placement, sign in to synchronize Firefox on this device with any other. You can also change the privacy privacy protection, so use standard or strict settings, and finally click to read the privacy notice, then start browsing, open any website. And as you can see, the browser works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.